Jorosolv's mission is to enrich life through tangible solutions without causing unnecessary harm to nature. Hi, my name is Marcus.
And my name is Josh, and we're the founders of Jorosolv. I originally designed our award-winning product, the Barisieur, in my bedroom at university back in 2014. Upon graduation, I published the Barisieur online and it proceeded to go viral overnight. The website received over 500,000 views in a week, and the product featured on Fox News in America, Japan TV.
It's not on store shelves just yet, it's still a concept, but it's pretty creative.
And we were receiving hundreds of emails a day asking if the product was available to purchase. There was a clear demand for this product. After hard work, determination and calculated risks, we raised over $780,000 of pre-orders to get the product to market back in 2018.
3 years later, and we see even more opportunity to grow by disrupting the stale tech market through pairing design that speaks the same language as the home, driven less by cost and more by functionality, style, sustainability, and the circular economy. The global household appliances market size is projected at $151 billion in 2021, and that's growing to $180 billion in 2025.
The emergence of technology embedded with eco-friendly products are expected to drive the adoption of luxury goods. The considerations involved in our operation, design, and longevity of our products are in mutual balance with the environmental impact of production and to meet the modern-day consumers' demands.
In 2019, 53.6 million tons of e-waste was produced, and only 17% of e-waste was recycled. Our goal is to make manufacturing our products easy on the world, long-lasting, easy to upgrade, repair, and the life cycle to be as circular as possible. So in line with this, with the investment, we're looking to launch a buyback program for old products to be recycled, launching next year.
Sustainability and premium products are at the core of our community, with over 70% of consumers today saying they would pay a premium for brands that are environmentally responsible.
Since being in business, we've seen how our products differ from other products on the market, and that's due to their modularity. Our products cater to people's lifestyle and can be easily upgraded. But also, if they happen to break or they're faulty, we can effortlessly send replacement parts, fix or recycle the parts responsibly with our local repair and recycling centres.
We are conscious of our behaviour as a hardware company, and we are proud that we now plant one whole tree for every product that we sell that contains wood, giving back more than we consume. We are also working with client partners to become carbon negative by the end of 2025. Over the years, we've won multiple awards, and we were a recent finalist for Amazon Startup of the Year Awards for 2021.
Since launching, we've been scaling organically at 68% year on year, and that's despite COVID-19 shutting retail stores.
We have customers in over 52 countries already, with an average of 4.5 out of 5-star rating across Trustpilot, Yotpo, Facebook and Google reviews with over 170 reviews.
You can find us in premium retail stores like Harrods and Selfridges, or Bloomingdale's and B8ta in the USA. And we're also across several other locations in the world.
To make shipping to our incredible community and retailers across the globe, we are already set up with 6 warehouses that are located in Australia, Hong Kong, Germany, USA, the Middle East, and of course here in the UK. Our agile and passionate Jorosolv team are based here in the heart of Hackney in London.
We're incredibly proud of our factory, which we've built a relationship with over 5 years now.
They've supported us from the very beginning, and we are constantly refining and improving our products on every order we manufacture with them, along with developing new products.
In the short term, we've been focusing on building the Jorosolv brand, organising our processes, understanding our customer, and adding recurring revenue through a coffee and tea subscription. And we're also hiring great talent to help establish ourselves in the global coffee and tea machines market. That's now valued at $13 billion in 2020.
Our medium-term plan is increasing the modularity of our product, improving alignment with circular economy, and establishing our foothold in the luxury household market by launching new products.
The long-term plan is to build a global brand by continuing to apply our unique design philosophy paired with data-driven feedback from customers to become a household name in the billion-dollar household appliances market.
Think Bang & Olufsen, Joseph, Smeg, think Nespresso.
Our success has been led by a loyal community and incredible partners, so we've decided to give you the opportunity to finally be a shareholder.
This is your chance to play an active role in DuraResolve's exciting future by investing anything from a tenner to £50,000.
So join us in this exclusive seed round with access to EIS and be part of this incredible journey whilst you can.
We can't wait for what's next.